Well, I'm here today with this Obs Chevy we've been working on here on the channel, and we're getting ready to take some Seafoam to it. Now, this stuff looks good, but I've been troubleshooting chasing an idle and a popping through a carburetor on this. We did ECUs and everything. If you have a symptom like this on your OBS, this might can fix it. But turns out mine is, can't talk today. It's either a bunt valve or a sticking valve. I'm hoping it's sticky, and if it's sticky, maybe this can fix it. So, stay tuned. We gotta bring this up to operating temperature to use this. So, start your truck and let it go. Is it starting, Cray? It's not starting. Is it starting now? No. Sometimes on these paid-for vehicles, you just gotta need a little help. It started. Just a tiny knock. I'm hoping that's the valve just So we're going to bring this up to operating temperature, and then we're going to put the Seafoam down the throttle body, and then we're going to let it heat soak for 10 minutes. But you need to do this running and keep the vehicle running as you add the Seafoam. Once you get the bottle added, let it heat soak. I'll show you, just watch. If I needed the Seafoam, it somewhat works. We're going to let this heat soak now and shut the engine off. We took the whole can and put it down inside. So we're going to start this up, and he's going to hold it at 2,000 RPMs to quit smoking. Now, in many ways you can do this. Watch other videos online. This is how I always did it. And hopefully the idling up and down is fixed. Hopefully. If not, I'm going to try to adjust the valves. They might be too tight on one of them. If it's not that, it's a bunt or vent valve. But, you know, this is cheap, trying to figure out. You know, it's worth a shot. Did it start, Cray? Or do I have to... Oh, it didn't fix it. Too long of a crank. Come on, smoke. Maybe I'll smoke with before. I can tell you right now it's not fixed. You can hear the intake and the exhaust just mixing together, making that sound. Typical car body. Did it fix the idle? Of course it didn't. I could hear it in the exhaust. But it was worth a try. Seafoam does work. You can add it into your oil. You can add it to your gas. You can, there are many ways to do it. And it might cause a check engine light. You know, do this at your own risk. But other than that, it was worth a try on this. The only thing I got left to do is try to adjust the valves. Maybe one's too tight. Maybe I can find the one that's sticking and manually loosen it up. And if it's not sticking, as I said, it's a bunt or vent valve. And that means removing the heads and fixing that issue is the only way to go. And at that point, I got a motor stick in it, because I got to do all that, might as well take it out. these trucks are kind of simple to put a motor on anyway. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, comment below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff.